I'm liking this light.
Yeah?
That's something different, something new.
Okay. I will
Being
ask,
it's
we will ask that later, okay?
yeah. No, but I'm telling you because
Okay.
usually, I have never seen being this plastic block, no? This thing gets accumulated on this. And one thing is, I'm not finding it that heavy.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'm not finding it that heavy. That's one good thing.
Is it well balanced or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
What I liked about the motor, there are many things I think. This is the first time I felt, and when I looked at it, I was doubting that, how I would feel, but when I held it, I felt it quite comfortable. Like, it's not heavy. I'm feeling quite comfortable when I worked on the model. And apart from that, the best thing what I felt was the integrated LED light in it. So when you're working on endodontically undergoing treatments, like, we are looking at the minute things, the orifices, then the canals, and we are looking at whether any debris accumulation on this, whether any tissue is there on the files. So that's really nice that there is an integrated LED is there, which we can see whether any deformation on the files, whether we need to discard any file. That's one more thing. Apart from that, what I liked, one more thing is, if someone doesn't want to have LED light working, there is a function where, LED light can be switched off. So one can work in both the modes, with LED and without LED.
Dentsply Sirona, being the manufacturer of the motor and all the components of the motor and the instruments that I use, is a very nice fact for me, because the instruments today require specific movements, specific angles, especially the reciprocating files, and the fact that the motor has been produced by the same company that produced the instruments that I like to use is a guarantee for me that I'm using the instruments with the correct movement, with all the settings specifically done for the specific instruments. And a very important option for me is that this is an upgradable device. We all know that softwares today are developing very fast, so the fact that I have a machine that can be upgraded as soon as Dentsply will deliver new softwares is something that makes me really happy and safe that I will have always an upgraded version of this device.
The file is at his best power when you use it with this motor, which is particularly the most important things. When you do endo, the motor is really important. We always talk about files, but I think the first thing is to choose a motor. And in that case, when you use it, you feel how much it is efficient.
When everything is integrated in one device, in terms of ergonomics and organization of your things on the table clinically when you are working, it makes, I think, workflow more smooth and with less transition issues, so you just push the button and you have an option what you need at that certain clinical situation. My preference sequence, ProTaper Ultimate, yes, and this is the slider, is the file that is dedicated for the initial root canal scouting, negotiation, and gaining the working length and creating a glide path. So this is what is the optimal thing, that the apex locator is integrated and we can use it with the file directly. So we are just negotiating the root canal and we have a reading when we have reached the working length. This is the option that I was talking. This is very beneficial into this motor. Otherwise, you have to place some additional devices to get the benefit of the slider.